So guess what time of the year it is? It is insurance time, open enrollment, you guys. So I'm gonna give you guys some tips about picking the right insurance because starting in October or November, your company is going to allow you to enroll into your health and dental insurance plans. So I'm gonna give you guys some tips of which one to pick and why you should pick certain dental plans. If your employer offers dental insurance, awesome. Now, if they offer PPO and HMO, pick PPO, you guys. It stands for Preferred Provider Organization versus HMO, which is Health Managed Organization. Now, with PPO, the premiums might be a little bit more, but not much of a difference, but it is totally worth it, you guys. So when I say PPO, you actually get to pick the dentist that you may have been referred to by a family member. Maybe you found them on Yelp or Google reviews, and they are usually easily to be seen through your PPO. You don't have to wait. You can call them up, especially when it goes into effect. Now with the HMO, you are assigned to a doctor, a dentist, off a list that you do not know whatsoever about. And unfortunately, those are, I'll be honest, those are usually on the lesser of service and quality. I'm sorry to say that. There might be some great HMO dentists out there that really do care about patients, but unfortunately, they do not, based on the premise that they're not being paid much on the dental services provided to you. So, hence, that'll mean that they might rush your dental cleanings, maybe use lower quality products, or just not even provide the service because you are being rushed being seen by the HMO dentist. It's great. Usually those are the dentists that you hear about through your friends and family. Maybe you've seen them do a lot of great reviews because you get to pick them and be seen by them immediately. And the service is a lot higher, usually standard and above par, you guys. So totally worth it. Now I'm going to explain to you what happens when you go to an HMO dentist. Let's say you don't like Joe Schmo, and unfortunately you do not want to see him anymore or her. So then you have to go to your HR and ask for the list of participating HMO dentists who will take your insurance. And that usually takes about average of 6 to 8 weeks to be transferred to that dentist. So let's just say you're in dental pain and you need a root canal whatsoever, or you're just in pure pain. You don't want to see Dr. Joe Schmo? You're going to have to wait 6 to 8 weeks to be seen by a participating HMO dentist. Now, let's talk about the PPO. Let's say you see Dr. Smith. You're like, he's okay, but you know what? My family friend told me to go see Dr. Laura down the street. She's a PPO. Great, you can call up that same day and get seen by Dr. Laura immediately. There's no waiting whatsoever. You don't have to ask your HR to, can I see this dentist? No, PPO, great, awesome. Now, that is because picking your dental insurance through your employer is great. There usually is no waiting period. It could be immediately effective for a lot of basic work, especially major work, which is really important. Major work is kind of like crowns, root canals, deep cleanings, wisdom teeth extractions, so forth. Now, just a little tidbit too, let's say you're needing Invisalign, ortho work, see if they also supply that supplement option on your dental plan. This is really important. If you're really thinking about getting braces or Invisalign, SureSmile, whatsoever on the market, look into it and see that you as a subscriber are covered for this, not just your dependents. Because if you're just your dependents and you're the one that wants the ortho work, you're not going to get coverage. So make sure there's no age limit for ortho work. You as a subscriber are covered for it besides your dependents. Now, if they only supply coverage for your dependents and not you, don't get it. It's not worth it. You're just going to be paying extra money for something that you can't even get for yourself. We talked about the dental insurance coverage. This is through your employer. People ask me all the time. I see my patients all the time They're like so excited that they got dental insurance. And when my staff looks into it and sees what it is one of those called individual dental plans. You guys, please, 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 this is a very, very important thing to know about dental insurance. If you are, let's say, an independent contractor, you have your own small business, or you're just basically, your employer does not offer dental insurance and you're looking online to buy dental insurance, it is a scam. I'm sorry, dental insurance is just plain out a scam in general, but if you're gonna buy online an individual plan, those are complete scams. Because one, they are giving you less coverage for what you're paying. Sometimes it's almost the same. I had a patient, just give you an idea, she was so excited she got dental insurance. When I looked at it, she was paying about $45 a month, and they were only giving her $500 a year as a coverage benefit. You kind of do the math, you guys. Fortunately, that was not worth it at all. I told her to cancel it and she did. So now, what's wrong with these dental insurance plans is that they're going to make it sound like you've got coverage, but unfortunately you guys can't understand the fine print of it. And that's where they get you, is because they'll cover the basic stuff like x-rays, ER exams, maybe a basic cleaning, but that's it. Major work, they might make you wait and keep paying the coverage for 6 to 12 months to actually get coverage. And the coverage percentage could be quite low. So sometimes when you're doing math, not girl math, you guys, not girl math, but you're actually doing proper actual math, you'll see that you're actually spending more money because insurance companies, they want to make money off of you. That's how they make money. They're not going to give you $1,500 worth of benefits for the year if you've only paid so far $40 a month and you're only into month 2. I'm sorry, guys. $80 for $1,500 worth of coverage? Sorry, they're not going to do that at all, you guys. So if you're going through your employer, dental insurance is great because it is being subsidized a bit. They're getting better coverage already because they have been paying into the insurance company for so long for their other employees that it's worth it. Get it if you can. Awesome. But if you're an individual like me, private, owner, independent contractor, it is sometimes not worth buying dental insurance on your own, especially dental insurance. Medical, I don't mind. There's better coverage out there just because of the fact of there's so much more to the whole body, but as in coverage for this part, it really isn't if you're gonna buy dental insurance on your own and Googling it and trying to buy it. It's not worth it, you guys. It's such a scam. So that is my dental insurance tips, you guys. I hope that helps a lot. Please follow and like, and please check out my other video as well. That way you can learn more about dental teeth, health, and everything. So you guys, like I said, it is open enrollment now. So please, please look into it. If you guys have any questions, just hit any messages or comments or questions. I'll be happy to try to help you guys out to answer any questions about dental insurance. All right, you guys, take care. Have a great one. And like everybody deserves a rosy smile, like I always say.